In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link in Stripe, a crucial skill for any business owner looking to streamline their online transactions. If you're ready to dive in, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Stripe website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the web address to get to Stripe's homepage. This is where it all begins. When you're on the page, you'll see the option to sign in at the top right corner of your screen. Click on that link, which will lead you to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and password. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do so before proceeding. Once your credentials are correctly typed in, go ahead and click the sign in button to access your dashboard. Now that you're signed in, head over to the payments section of your Stripe dashboard. This part of the platform is designed to facilitate all your transaction needs, from setting up payment links to managing incoming funds. Keep an eye out for the option that says payment links. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page where you can begin creating your payment link. Next, you'll want to add a product. Imagine this is an item or service you offer. By doing this, Stripe knows what your customers are purchasing through the link you're about to create. After adding your product, take a moment to review and, if necessary, adjust your product options. This could be pricing, quantity, or any additional details pertinent to the sale. Once you're satisfied with the basic product settings, there's an option to click on Advanced Options. This is where you can fine-tune the transaction specifics to suit your requirements. Think of it as the customizable setup of your payment cogwheel. It can include things like discounts or adding additional fields that the buyer might need to fill out. After you've made these selections, ensure everything looks good and click on Pay. This step previews the experience your customer will have when they're entering their payment details. Now you're almost there, just one more click, go ahead and hit Create Link. Doing this will generate a unique payment link tailored specifically for the product you've set up. Finally, with your new payment link ready, click on Payment Link to copy or share it. This link can be distributed via email, social media, or even embedded in a website, allowing your customers to easily complete their purchases. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've created a payment link in Stripe. Remember, creating a seamless payment experience is key to maintaining customer trust and satisfaction. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful as you integrate this tool into your business operations. Enjoy your newfound Stripe capabilities, and until next time, happy selling.